My name is Leah LaRue. I'm the Home Modifications Director at Presidential Conversions. When people need a roll-in shower or a ramp for their house or anything to make their life a little easier at their home, they contact me and I set up a home visit and evaluate what all is needed to make that modification happen. And I work with funding sources to make it happen, and I dabble a little bit in the design of it too. A lot of folks are concerned that they won't be able to afford these modifications, but don't worry, there are a lot of options out there for you. If you want to give us a call, we could talk about these funding sources and organizations that help you out to be able to afford that.